the life force behind that body.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create visual effects using AI. In this time, we are going to use CapCut and Firefly on your smartphone. The first thing we need to do is, let's find a good location. When I drive into a field or somewhere else, I need a tool to capture footage and sounds while I'm driving. They are there to help provide me security and proof of an unexpected situation. This video is powered by 70mm 4K AX10, the first ever dashcam camera with HDR and 4K resolution, powered by Sony Starfish 2 IMX670H, which it has significant improvement in extremely dark environments, resulting wider dynamic range and less noise. In 4K resolution, the image is very sharp with a lot of details and excellent contrast either front and rear camera. This dashcam has AI motion detection to identify suspicious human activities around the parked car, and it's recording automatically. And also, IQ tuning enhances the clarity of license plate while reducing the visibility in relevant regions. Configuration is quite easy to handle. You can use either the buttons or the app. No matter day or night footage, this dashcam delivers fantastic quality. Just hit the link below for more details about 70mm AX10. Okay, I found a really cool location with foggy scene. The first thing we need to do is take a screenshot of your static footage and crop the side if there's a black bar. You need to make sure your subject doesn't cross any areas you wish to change later with generative fill. Now it's time to custom environments using Adobe Firefly. You can find this on browser or Google Chrome. It is completely easy to use and absolutely free. So let's open Generative Fill. Upload the image that we just screenshot. Select Insert Tool on the left, and now I want to change the brush settings. So I'm gonna bring the size to about 30%. Now I want to add buildings on the background, so let's draw like building shape so the AI be able to generate images based on the shape you draw. Enter your text description, so let's say skyscrapers, and hit generate. Now we wait. If you want to generate more images, click more below. And I'm gonna choose this one. Select keep to apply this so we can generate more subject. Repeat the same way to add another subjects. Now it's done. Tap 3-point icon up on the right and select download to save this image to gallery. Let's jump over into CapCut. Select new project and import the main video. Go to overlay, then add overlay. Select the image that we just created in Adobe Firefly. Scale up and match the size as well as duration. Now it's time to masking. First, I want to mask the background or the building. So go to mask and select the shape. For example, I want to mask the upper area. In this case, I want to select split. You can also bring down the feather to make smooth gradual between the image and the main video. But we are missing the foreground, right? So duplicate the layer by click copy and bring this to the bottom layer. Go to mask again, and in this time you can change the shape. So I'm gonna select circle to mask this. Do the same things to mask another subject. Next, I want to color grade this video. So go to adjust, and I want to add Oppenheimer filter to give it movie look. But also, I want to play around with adjust. Alright, so here's the result. Do you think this new tool looks realistic enough to be used in video editing? Just let me know in the comment. So that's my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please check my artworks on my Instagram if you don't mind. I will see you later in the next video.